Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be unboxing my new toy that I received. This is the Cricut Explorer Air 2, the Wisteria bundle that I purchased from, I can't remember, maybe Joann Fabrics. I want to say last year. I got this a while back. Yes, I know. I recorded this video a long time ago and then I just never came around to it. So in this bundle, it comes with a whole bunch of accessories. Weeder extra large scraper, fine point pen set, some vinyl, some vinyl, some foil embossed paper, and some transfer tape that I'll be showing you guys. So we're gonna just open the box. Man, my editing is on point, right? So this is the SportsFlex iron-on. It has two sheets of 11.8 by 6. 11.8 by 6, I don't know. It's odd. I can't talk. Yeah, anyways, let's move on. So it came with holographic sparkle iron-on. It has gold and silver. It has two sheets of each. So I'm just going to pull everything out that I got in the box in this bundle, and then I'll open everything up later and go through everything with you. But let's just see what comes in the box for now. Alright, so here is the machine. Gotta do some jazz hands because this is awesome. You know, so pretty. My favorite color is purple, also black and a lime green. But I had to get this one because it's so pretty. And I'm not even sure if they sell this one anymore. They have a purple one, but they call it the lilac one. So I'm not sure if that's the same one. But pulling off plastic off of new items is so satisfying. I should have recorded the sounds, but I didn't have a microphone at the time. And so you guys get to just watch it along with me. So you push this open button right here on the left side and it slowly opens up together. Isn't it so pretty? I just love it. And at the bottom right here there are two storage compartments. This one is for your extra blades. I haven't purchased any, but that's where they go. And here's another one. You could put whatever fits in there. As of right now I have some of my pens in there, my markers. Alright, so here's a close-up. On the left side there's the open button, and on the right side there's a whole bunch of these styles, which I'll show you closer. There's this little cup where you could put like your markers or whatever you want to hold in there. That little flap is for the old cartridges you can load to your machine and use on Cricut Design. These buttons are to load the paper, to start your project, to pause the project, and then to turn the power on and off. And then you turn the dial to select what type of paper you're using. So there's a slot A and slot B. The B one is for your blade and the A one is for your markers or your score pen or any other tools you're able to use with the Cricut. Alright, so let's go through everything that is in the box. It comes with the power cord, the cord that you can connect to your computer and directly to the Cricut machine, a scraper, a weeder tool, these markers, this black fine tip marker. Let's see what's next. It comes with a light grip mat, which is the blue one. So this one is the Holographic Sparkle Vinyl. It is not the iron-on. I could just place this on anything that it sticks to. It has 2 of each color. There are 3 colors. This one is the teal. This one is the pink. And this one is the purple. I'm trying to show you as best as I can without the glare, but my lighting is pretty in the way. The next one is the Holographic Sparkle Iron-On. Each come with 2 sheets. So the top one is the gold. This one is the silver. It comes with 2 transfer tapes, 12 by 12. This one is the Sports Flex Iron-On. Has purple and white. Alright, so the last thing that came in the bundle were these foil embossed papers. Each design has 2 sheets to it. You could use these on the blue mat, which they recommend to use paper on the blue mat since it's a light grip. Sorry, I haven't recorded any videos. Stay tuned for more Cricut videos. I'll be recording the heat press next. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you have any questions or any kind of comments you have, please leave them down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.